Hey Gear Seekers, I'm Nick. You see these two ITX systems here? Well, there's a little bit of a story behind this video, guys. This is my regular gaming PC, and obviously this is the NR200. Now, what I wanted to do, and I was gonna do this completely off camera, I wasn't even gonna film a video about this at all. I was gonna transfer all of these parts, or basically transplant it all, from here to here, and it's not really that exciting, except for the fact is, I'm gonna put a 280mm AIO in here and we're gonna see if we can make that fit properly. I know that it can fit on paper, but we haven't actually done it yet, so that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna transplant this system, not gonna upgrade anything. It's plenty powerful enough. It does everything I needed to do to play games and make it a little bit smaller. Because as ITX cases go, this Metallic Gear Neo Mini V2 is actually quite big. Now we did a little bit of a size comparison in our follow-up video for the NR200, and you can see here, much bigger. So I want to take up less space. I think I explained this in the teardown that we did the other day, that yeah, we are running out of space, and every little centimeter of space I can get back is super important. So come with me as we do a build, well rather a transplant, and move my personal gaming rig into something a little bit smaller. You guys ready to do it? I am, because I've been putting this off for 3 days, so let's do it. Yeah, as I mentioned, I'm not upgrading any of these parts or anything like that. It's literally just gonna be a transplant. I'm gonna change the cooler because the pump top on this one's a little bit too thick. So we're gonna go an NZXT X63 because it's a little bit flatter and we can probably make it fit. So without further ado, I'm gonna stop talking and we're gonna dive right in. So it's gonna be a bit of a tear down and transfer and a build. Let's go. ladies and gents, I hope you enjoyed our last ever build in the NR200, other than the giveaway PC, which we will be announcing after 100K. But yes, this is our last content piece on this case specifically, because it's now my gaming PC, and that was kind of my plan if I liked this case, and it turns out I really liked it, and it performs in this configuration with the AIO a lot better than I expected. Obviously, it's a 9900K, so it's not going to be like amazing because that CPU is just basically one of the hottest things on earth. But anyway, let's take a look at the thermal so you can get an idea of how this system performs, because yeah, that's what I wanted to do and share it with you guys. And as you're seeing right now on screen, it's okay, it's not too bad. I did mess around with the fan orientation, flipping them either way as exhaust and intake seems to be the way to go because of the exhaust out the top of the system. As for deshrouding the GPU, ladies and gents, it's completely pointless. You don't really need to do it. You're not getting that much of an improvement in performance despite what you've seen on the internet. It's just really not worth it, especially for a system like this where you can put full height fans in. It's just not going to give you that much extra performance. I'm sorry, I'm not deshrouding the GPU. I'm never going to deshroud GPUs on the channel. So yeah, that's just what we do here. We keep it nice and simple, and we don't need to modify things that just don't need to be modified. Simple as that. As far as gaming performance in this system, it's basically exactly the same as you saw last time. We actually benchmarked the old hardware in this. It's going to be exactly the same. Nothing's changed since then. And yeah, this is my personal gaming PC. I don't want to have it unplugged for too long because it's Sunday today and I want to play some more Flight Sim. Although, that being said, the only thing that I did change between the original build in the old case and this is the GPU. And I put the 2080 Ti that I've been using lately into this. I did have it in the metallic case when I pulled it out, but yeah, this went with it. So yeah, the 2080 Ti has been in there for a few weeks and now it's in here. Yeah, and that's basically it. I don't really have that much more to add about the NR200P. This is our third or fourth video about the case. So yeah, I really don't have that much more to add on it, which is why the next time you see us doing anything with this case, we're going to be giving it away, and it's going to be a white one. And yes, this is a clue for the 100,000 subscriber giveaway, which will be announced after we reach 100,000 subscribers, and it will be sometime after, not immediately after, not the same day. It'll be a little bit after, because we have something very special planned for that. And you're going to want to wait, because when you see what we've got planned, you're gonna lose your mind. Anyways, guys, if you like the music you heard here, I make the music. I'll put a PC part picker list down below in the description as well if you wanna know what all the parts are and all that jazz. And just on a side note, before I forget, because I did wanna say two things. The first thing is that everyone always says, oh, you've got Cooler Master stickers on the door. No, they're just regular hexagons. Just the angle makes them look like Cooler Master logos. They're not actually Cooler Master logos at all. And the Aorus cooler that I had on the last system, like in the last case, probably would have fit here with the pump top as well. I didn't realize there was going to be that much space between the fans and the actual like motherboard as well. So yeah, if you're looking at an AIO, like a 280mm AIO to put in here with a taller pump top, let me have a quick look. Yeah, it's going to fit. It's going to be absolutely fine. I reckon it'll fit no problems. But yeah, I'm done here. If you liked it, like it. If you hate it, dislike it twice, because that makes the dislike button work even better. Once again, thank you so very much for watching. I'm your boy Nick with Gear Seekers. You peek, we seek. And yeah, I'm gonna go play some games. I've had this unplugged for a few days now, and I just want to play some Flight Sim. Yeah, it's Sunday. Have fun, guys. I'm gonna go play games. Bye.